Everyone, it's a beautiful morning as you can see. I just woke up from my sleep and I wanted to show you all how it looks outside. It's really beautiful. It was raining a few minutes ago and it's looking wonderful today. I'm just starting off my day with a plate of apples. I have cut some apples, so early morning is the best time to have fruits. I'm done with my fruits. It's half an hour now, so I'm having a cup of tea right now. I love having tea in the morning, but after half an hour I love nature, I love greenery a lot. We all are doing well today and having a beautiful day. So today I've planned to make some rava idlis. So I am going to the kitchen now and I'll start making my rava idlis. I have come over here into my kitchen and I have taken 2 cups of semolina. To this I will add some yogurt, around 2 cups, and I will add a teaspoon of salt and I will mix it with some water and I'll keep it for around half an hour so that the semolina soaks well in the water and curd mixture. Now it will thicken up a little. Now I'll just go and clear the bedroom, make it clean. So look at this, the bed is in such a mess. So I'll just snap a finger. So look, it is all clean and I have snapped my finger and cleaned everything. So it's looking beautiful now. Loving it.
Cleaning your bedroom enhances your mood twice as much and reduces anxiety levels.
Steamer is ready with water in it. Before putting it into my steamer so that it flattens up very well. So all this work I am doing very slowly in a very lazed manner, but still it is getting done, so I am happy. I always keep my coriander in this steel vessel. So I have a fresh bundle of coriander. I'll chop off this part, the roots part, and I'll keep it inside and it will remain fresh for many days. This much coriander is of 2 weeks back. So I have done this. I have cut it off and I'll keep it inside my container. My idlis have also done and they are steamed and they're looking so fluffy. Just take a look. They are amazingly fluffy and I am going to have it. So I am having my breakfast with this beautiful view outside, but I am sitting cozily inside and I will have a soft bite of my idlis.
That was a really good breakfast. So always make your mornings really beautiful so that the rest of the day turns out to be really wonderful. Having a healthy breakfast in the morning keeps you cheerful and happy throughout the day.
Now I am going out on a drive. Let's go. Come with
wear
me.
your seatbelts for a safe drive.
I'm back to this place where I take a walk and I have a smoothie and I go back home. So I've come down. It's a beautiful afternoon. Take a look at the sky. It's looking amazing. So I thought I'll just go for a walk and have some coffee at Starbucks and go home. It feels good to walk in such a weather. The weather is beautiful. It's been raining. Right now the rain stopped, so I stepped out. And it's really beautiful. But the sky is not cloudy. my smoothie will come soon to me. Hey smoothie, come soon. I got my smoothie. Now I'm going to have it. This is vanilla and blueberry smoothie. I'm going to enjoy it. You also take a sip. Very tasty. Now it has become really sunny and the sun has come out. I'm starting to eat my lunch just now. So look at my plate. Isn't it looking good? So it's a simple yet elaborate lunch. It's a vegetarian lunch. So I'll be having this. So I have my rice, I have my sambar. This is a cauliflower vegetable. These are pickles, mixed veg pickle, and this is a potato and Maggi patties. So I made a patties from some leftover Maggi noodles and potato mixed with some coriander and all that. So it was very quick and it's really tasty. This is a South Indian white pumpkin and curds mixed with each other. It's a dish called pachadi. It's very tasty, very yummy and very light to eat. This is my favorite actually. So I had made this yesterday. It's a leftover actually. And I have a papad and of course some white rice. So let me enjoy my lunch now and I'll see you in a bit.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.